Hello everyone from CES 2026. I'm Vahagn Stepanyan and I'm excited to be here with my team in Las Vegas exploring the latest products and innovations from around the world. Before we move on, please take a moment supporting my HelloVSTV YouTube channel by subscribing and liking this video. Now let's go! CES this year did not disappoint. The energy, the breakthroughs and the sheer range of next level gear were phenomenal, and I have picked my absolute favorite products to share with you in this video. Kicking things off, the first company and product I want to highlight is Plaud. What they are doing is really impressive. If you take notes every day, you know how important speed and accuracy are. That's why over 1.5 million professionals trust Plaud, the world's #1 AI note-taking brand. With their latest new Plaud Note Pro, you get seamless AI transcription, instant search, and smart organization across all your notes. Capture meetings, lectures, and ideas with high accuracy and export them in multiple formats for workflow efficiency. For on-the-go convenience, Plaud NotePin S is a wearable AI note taker that works as a neck place. It offers 20 hours of continuous recording, 64 GB storage, multimodal input, and AI summaries in 112 languages. Whether in the office, classroom, or on the move, Plaud keeps you organized, productive, and ahead of the game. So for more details, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. One of my biggest discoveries at CES this year was Lanparte. Now, they're not a new brand, but their suction cup accessories and all their stands are absolutely mind-blowing and unbelievably affordable. When I first got this, I honestly thought it would drop my camera from the car. The suction power is insane. Lanparte's patented one-key lock suction design grabs onto smooth surfaces like glass or dashboards with real confidence, and their adjustable dual ball arms let you dial in the angle you want with zero drama, and have grabbed multiple accessories from them to use in my daily production setup. If you are a creator and looking for a professional and very reliable, high quality and affordable mounting solutions, Lanparte is a brand you need to know. I definitely highly recommend this brand and all their products. At CES, one of the most practical finds for me was Nimbot label printers. What makes them stand out right away is affordability and the fact that they work without ink, which means lower cost and zero mess. The D110M and B20S are perfect for everyday labeling, while the B1 is great for higher volume needs. Their B21 Pro can also print not only photos, but also red color, which opens up serious business operations. For product labels and pricing to branding and inventory, this is a smart, cost-effective solutions for small businesses and professionals. It was so good that I decided to order a few more to just give away for my friends. Our next product is by Fuse Audio, GLD vertical vinyl record player. If design matters to you as much as sound, the Fuse GLD turns vinyl into a true visual centerpiece. Its vertical layout, ashwood veneer, and gold-black accents instantly elevate any room. It supports 33, 45, and 78 RPM records, and the Audio-Technica cartridge delivers a rich, detailed sound right out of the box. Bluetooth 5.3 allows you to stream music in or out. Plus, you get aux and line-out options for external gear. Bass response is more on the lighter side, something to keep in mind. One company at CES that consistently catches my attention is Hollyland, and they continue to show serious growth potential. This year, their lineup was clearly focused on creators, businesses, and live production. The Lyra 4K webcam is a great example. It's very compact, plug and play, and easy for daily use. I also really like the camera quality and built-in privacy shutter, which lets you physically close the camera when you want privacy. A very small and well-designed webcam. We also have their best LarkMax 2 for wireless audio. It delivers great sound quality with 32-bit recording, strong noise cancellation, and includes a full set of cables to connect with different gear. We are testing the Hollyland Lark Max 2 microphone under -19 dB. On top of these products, the Pyro 5 and Pyro S bring solid wireless video transmission for demanding workflows. We use these products in our daily production and we really like them. Today they are very popular in the global market and I use these products daily and highly recommend checking them out. In US stores, they are currently among the top selling products with very high demand. Another impressive product is Venus Live Air, where Hollyland is stepping deeper into live streaming and production control. Perfect for creators who need high-quality video for streaming their shows, conferences or gigs. Warlord Mini W1 is a surprisingly capable mini PC that packs big desktop performance into a tiny chassis. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor with 8 cores and up to 4.9 GHz plus 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. Graphics come courtesy of Radeon 780M, which delivers smooth visuals and supports for up to 8K displays, while connectivity covers Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, 2.5G LAN, multiple USB-A and C ports, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs. Setup is plug and play with Windows 11 Pro out of the box. You know that feeling when you would rather write on paper until you remember you could be digital. The Penstar eNote Pro bridges that gap beautifully. A 10.3-inch paper-like Color E-Ink display offers crisp visuals and ultra-comfortable writing that feels natural under your pen. Your handwritten thoughts convert instantly into editable text, and with AI voice to text, your spoken ideas turn into organized notes without lifting a finger. Need to work smarter? Open and annotate over 30 file types, multitask with split screen, and sync it all seamlessly through Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Access everything from Windows to iOS and Android. With long battery life, cloud backup, and elegant ultra-thin design, it's the perfect tool to read, write, and create without distractions. The design is very beautifully made and it feels really comfortable in your hand. I'm really impressed with the Espresso Lite 15, the newest portable display from the team behind my favorite touchscreens. It's a 15.6-inch Full HD USB-C monitor with 400 nits of brightness, full 100% sRGB coverage, and a super low 5-watt power draw, so it won't drain your laptop battery. What sets it apart? The personality. This comes in multiple colors and still feels premium, even at the $249. If you want a portable second screen that's simple, stylish, and genuinely useful on the go, this is a great pick. As a music producer, I spend hours every day in front of the computer, composing, arranging, and editing. That's why having a comfortable chair is so important. I recently discovered a company that caught my attention, ProtoArc. Their Flexor ergonomic chair and EC200 are both incredibly comfortable and surprisingly affordable. The Flexor keeps your posture in check with its ergonomic design, while the EC200 offers plush cushioning that feels far more expensive than it is. For anyone who spends and works long hours at a computer and needs a comfortable chair, these are definitely worth checking out. I also like their Bluetooth accessories, including keyboards and mouses. I plan to use them on stage to control my computer directly from my keyboard. Bluetooth connection is solid and the keyboards are very well designed, making them a perfect fit for mobile performance. I'm sure there will be a lot of people who are gonna love these designs. Imagine coming home after a long busy day and your floors look like someone was there cleaning all day. Now imagine they actually were, but it was not you. Meet the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow. This is not just a robot vacuum, it's a serious cleaning machine. The Spiral Flow roller mop spins at 220 RPM, applying consistent pressure to scrub away even dried-on spills. Combined with 20,000 PA of powerful suction, it easily lifts dust, debris, and dirt from carpets, corners, and cracks. What really stands out is the self-cleaning design, keeping the mop fresh every pass. With smart app control and scheduled cleaning, it works quietly in the background, so you don't have to think about it. As you can see here, it cleans and mops perfectly under the bed, and the result is just phenomenal. It works fast and incredibly easy to set up. I highly recommend this if your budget is under $1,000. The Jackery Explorer 1500 Ultra is a next-level portable power station built for real outdoor conditions. It features a 1536 Wh live PO4 battery with long lifespan and 1800 Watt of continuous power, strong enough to run heavy appliances, tools, and professional photo and video gear off-grid. For devices that need extra startup power, it handles surges up to 3600 Watt with ease. With IP65 weather resistance, shockproof design, and a rugged yet compact build, it's perfect for outdoor work, indoor use, camping, or emergency backup. The Explorer 1500 Ultra delivers stable power in temperatures as low as 5 Fahrenheit and as high as 113 Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent performance for winter camping or desert expeditions. Multiple AC outlets, high-power USB-C, USB-A, and a 12-volt port let you charge everything at once. Recharge it quickly via AC solar or your vehicle. Me and my production team uses this in our studio and we highly recommend it. Quick take on the Potensic Atom 2. Tiny drone, big results. I love that it now comes with a built-in screen on the remote, so no need for a phone to fly. It's under 249 grams, so super travel friendly, yet it captures stunning 48 megapixel stills and 4K HDR video, thanks to its Sony CMOS sensor and 3-axis gimbal. AI tracking modes like follow, spotlight, and parallel make cinematic shots surprisingly easy, and vertical shooting is perfect for reels. You get up to 32 minutes on flight per battery, smooth 10-kilometer video transmission. Impressive at this price. Controls very easily, and whether you are shooting landscapes or creative social content, this mini drone is a standout all-around performer. I love this for sure, and if you follow to my Instagram, you will find out lots of behind the scenes while I'm gonna use this. My top favorite product that I want to end up this video is from Dreame. I've tried a few, even though it had the best ratings, but I end up returning them because it was an absolute waste of money. And our team lost faith in these devices. But when Dreame sent me this X60 Max Ultra Complete, I thought it was going to disappoint again. But wow, this thing completely changed the game for us. It's super thin, just over 3 inches, so it gets into spots other robots completely miss. Under sofas, beds, low cabinets, without getting stuck. The AI-enhanced navigation and dual camera actually detect dirt and obstacles instantly. instead of blindly following a path. And the suction, perfectly strong. It works super quick, which is really unbelievable. It works super quick and makes less noise than others, which was very important thing for my team. Plus the mopping system with hot water self-cleaning leaves floor noticeably cleaner than any vacuum combo we have tried. After being let down before, this has officially become my favorite robot vacuum, and we are genuinely impressed. This is all about my favorite products at CES. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for future videos. I will see you in the next video.